You can't comment on videos. Oh my god, restricted mode is hidden the comments for you. If you don't know what restricted mode is, it is a mode which restricts you from doing things like, for example, commenting and then like, look, guys, it is a mode optional setting. YouTube you can screen it out, but many of you don't know how to like kick out that restricted mode. So I'm going to show you in this video. It's pretty easy. Just have to click on the icon, your account, go to the bottom and restricted mode on. It's like that, and then you just go just like off it, and then this page refreshes sometime. If it doesn't work, just try refreshing the page like that, and then you have comments. Now you can comment easily, you can comment, and look, it works. Like your comment, you can do anything. That's how you off the restrict mode, and see you in the next video, guys.